Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Trello step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Trello and press enter. Locate the official Trello website from the search results. Click on the link to open the Trello homepage. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be presented with several sign-up options. You can choose to sign up with Google, Microsoft, or enter your email address. If you select email, enter your email address and click Continue. Create a password for your Trello account and click Continue again. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Trello. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. Once verified, return to the Trello page. You might be asked to set up your profile with your name. Enter your name and any other required information, then proceed. Next, you will be taken to a welcome screen. Here, you can choose a workspace template or create your own. Select a template that suits your needs or click Create Workspace. If creating a workspace, enter a name and choose the visibility setting. Then click Create Workspace to finalize it. You will now be directed to your new Trello board. Familiarize yourself with the Trello interface. To add lists, click on Add a List and type your list name. Press Enter to save the list. To add cards, click on Add a Card under your chosen list. Enter a title for your card and click Add Card. Continue adding lists and cards as needed to organize your tasks. Explore the features, like labels and due dates, to enhance your board. Your Trello setup is now complete, and you can start managing your projects effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.